want to go for a swim. Which animals like the water? Water animals. Water animals live in the water, like fish and the big blue whale. But some birds like to swim too. Yes, the duck likes to swim. But there are many other birds that like to swim. There is a bird with a long neck. It is called a swan. A swan likes to swim in the water.
This is a swan. A swan is a bird. A swan has a long neck. A swan can be black or white. Swans like the water. Swan, swan. A swan is a bird. A swan is a bird. A swan has a long neck. A swan has a long neck. Swans like the water. Swans like the water.
And there is a bird with long legs, and it is pink. It is a flamingo. A flamingo likes the water too.
This is a flamingo. A flamingo is a bird. A flamingo has long legs and a long neck. A flamingo likes the water. A flamingo is pink.
And there is a black and white bird. It can't fly, but it is a bird. But it can swim in the water. It is a penguin. A penguin can swim in the water.
This is a penguin. A penguin is a bird. A penguin is black and white. It cannot fly. It likes the water. Penguins can swim in the water. Penguin, penguin. A penguin is a bird. A penguin is a bird. A penguin is black and white. A penguin is black and white. Penguins like the water. Penguins like the water.
Which is the biggest bird of all? It is the ostrich. The ostrich is a bird that cannot fly, but it can run. It can run very fast. It cannot fly, but it can run.
This is an ostrich. An ostrich is a bird. The ostrich is the biggest bird. The ostrich can run fast. It has a long neck. The ostrich is the biggest bird. Ostrich, ostrich. An ostrich is a bird. An ostrich is a bird. An ostrich has a long neck. An ostrich has a long neck. An ostrich can run fast. An ostrich can run fast.
That was a good swim. There are many birds that like the water, like a duck, and like a bird with a long neck. It is a swan. And like the flamingo, it has long legs and is pink. And like the penguin, it is black and white and cannot fly. And which bird is the biggest bird? It is the ostrich. It cannot fly, but it can run fast. There are many amazing birds. Goodbye, children.
Okay, children, now we will write swan, ostrich, penguin, swan. SW sound is swa. Then AN here sound is on, not an. This is swan, swan. SWA has swa, swan sound. Right, then ostrich. OST sound is ost. But then we say ostrich. RICH. Ostrich. Ostrich. Here OST, ost, then RICH, rich. Ostrich. Then penguin. P-N we know as pen. Pen, then G-U-I-N, gwyn. G-U-I-N, penguin. Swan, ostrich, penguin. Very good, children. Goodbye from Miss Simpson.